welcome back to my channel. My name's Angie. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below to join our family. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a try-on haul for you guys today for some products that were sent to me by Kollyy. A huge thank you to Kollyy for sending me these products. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. Okay, so these are the goodies that were sent to me by Kollyy, and I will include all the information down below in the description box. And there's also going to be a few pieces at the end that I actually bought, and I'm going to tell you guys why they're even being included in this video when we get to that. So let's start with this. So I want to say maybe it took a little under 2 weeks or 2 weeks or so, like almost at 2 weeks for my order to arrive. Granted, I didn't actually know when they shipped it, so there's that, but here's what I got. So first I got this cute little mini white tennis skirt. It is a skirt. Usually they have shorts underneath, but no matter, I always have plenty of shorts for my very short skirts, because if y'all didn't know already, now you know I love short skirts. So, and I could think of a ton of ways to style this. It's just a little white tennis skirt, but I love the detail because none of my tennis skirts have the little sporty looking banding on it, so that's what I really like about it. But it also has belt loops here, and it comes with belt. But that's nice because one, I got a free belt, but two, I can put whatever belt I want with it. And you guys should already know by now that I love my chain belt, so I'll probably definitely style it with that, but not to say I will never use this anyway. And for reference, I do get pretty much everything in a small. Depending on what it is, there might be a medium in here, but I'm pretty sure I got a small in everything. This is a maxi skirt. So I got a small in this. I've just been feeling maxi skirts lately, and I don't know, I feel like I have shoes for them, I have tops for them, and I just like the vibe of maxi skirts. And it's like warmish here all year long, so I can get away with this. And I never really got any like chunky sandals, but I think I might get some because it would be cute with these. Also, it's been a little while. I feel like I do this every time I do a haul. I'm like, I don't even remember what I picked out, and I don't. But we're gonna see. Oh, what's this? Okay. Ooh. Okay. This is like a long, I remember this. I wanted it in the nude color, but they were sold out, so it's fine. I got it in black. So this is just a long contrast stitching kind of dress with a hood. It's very, how would I say? I guess it probably goes more with like the subversive kind of aesthetic, but it's just like this fitted, very thin, black hooded dress. Okay, next, I just got this little denim vest. I kind of have one like this already, but first of all, this is a different color denim, so it's already a different top. Like, I got a medium in this because I knew it would be more of a layering piece than a shirt. Granted, I could wear it as a shirt, but does it? I don't think it has a way to button or close, so it's meant to be worn open. So I mean, you can still wear it as a top. You gotta have to get some tape or something, or have to wear something underneath. But I got it as a layering piece over like my button downs and stuff for fall. Oh, I know. This is like a dress, and it's supposed to have like the little, like that little thong vibe to it, even though it's not a thong. But yeah, and then also, it's just like an asymmetrical kind of cutout dress. You guys will see. Right now, I'm pretty sure I know how to put it on. I hate when I get clothes and it's just mad strings, and I'm like, how do I put it on? I can see how I put this on. The material is very soft too. What's going on? What's this? Okay, this, I don't know what this is. Okay, there's this is a, I guess this is a one shoulder based off the stitching. It looks like it's a one shoulder kind of top, and it has these little loops in it here. So I guess this little string here goes in that, and I tie it somehow. I don't know. I literally just said I don't like when it's confusing. I'm gonna have to look at a picture. I don't know. Like, I have a general idea, but like, I would like to know how they styled it before I try to come up with my own creations. So this is like a little bodysuit, but it's got like the, you know, the like moto racer kind of aesthetic to it. So it's got this little cutout collar neck thing, and it's got the zipper. I kind of have a full bodysuit unitard that looks like this, but this one's got some O-ring detail, lots of strings to tie it in the back. So this is be very cute. It's a bodysuit, so this might take a little bit of patience. There's a lot of strings back here to tie, but Actually, I like that. I don't know if you guys have ever had ones where like the moment you untie to take it off, all the strings come out. This has the little thingy here, so you can loosen it without actually like untying the whole thing, which is nice. And then it also has the snaps too at the bottom, so you don't have to worry about taking your entire outfit off when you go to the bathroom. Now I remember this. So this is a little crop top, and it's just brown, and it says Miss Angel on it because obviously, and you get it normally. I think a fitted crop top like this, I would ideally get it in a medium because it's fitted, but I got it in a small because I want to suffocate in this because it is so cute, and I want it to be the ultimate baby tee. I want it to be the baby of the baby crop top. Like, that's how tight I want it to be. But it's very, very cute. So, and I'm really feeling, I feel like I got into brown, and I've just been obsessed with it ever since. Like, brown and tan, just giving. I have to literally fight to stop buying these colors. I got this long maxi dress. So it's got the collar here, and it's just this long black maxi dress, but then when you get down to the bottom, it's got some cool detail, and then there's like a huge slit on both sides. So this will be very cool. I can't wait to style this with probably my Naked Wolf boots. I don't know, I have so many cute black boots, but yeah, it's just very simple, sleeveless, black mock neck top, slinky kind of tight fitted dress. These pants, so they look like your regular schmegular degular cargo, or maybe you could say parachute pants, but they actually come with this little wrap skirt thing that you can put around the top. So I just thought it was cool, like different way to switch up your pants. I don't know which way this goes. I mean, probably at the top. But yeah, so this is like a little wrap skirt thing that goes around the top of the pants. I feel like it's gonna make me think of an anime character. I can't think of them now, but that's what the vibe's giving. But you'll see it. It's very, I think it also fits very well with the subversive kind of aesthetic. Now there's 3 other things that I got from Kollyy. Now these items weren't sent to me by Kollyy. I actually purchased them myself. I was going through the website trying to see what pieces I wanted since they allowed me to choose the pieces. And when I was going through, I came across 3 items that were each $1. Now I'm pretty sure the reason they were marked down so low is because it was like the last or next to last item in their inventory, and they were just trying to get rid of it because they were already having a sale. So I was able to get 3 of them, and then with shipping, my total came out to like $12, and both of the orders have been placed at the same time, so they arrived at the same time. So I'm just going to include this, even though it's not sponsored or sent to me by Kollyy. I'm just going to include this because I'm showing you guys stuff from Kollyy anyway. So, and just for reference, it came like around the same time. So shipping, whether you're placing a regular order or an influencer order, seem to be about the same. It's just this little pink mini skirt. Obviously it reminds the girls of Bape, so that's why I thought it was cute. It had a little star detail on it and everything. Sheer, you're gonna have to wear shorts underneath it, but no matter. I just thought this was super cute. Like, literally, can you imagine styling this with like a little Hello Kitty crop top or like a My Melody crop top or something, and like some chunky boots or some sneakers? This would be so cute. Do not lie to me. This would be so cute. And it also has the belt detail, so you can put a little chain belt in there. Like, so cute. So the next thing I got was this red mini skirt, kind of like denim, red denim mini skirt. I probably normally would have never bought this, but because it was $1, I was like, I don't really have red mini skirts, but it's a denim mini skirt, and I like denim mini skirts, so I was like, oh, I could probably make it work. So this is it. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. It kind of reminds me of the white one I have that I really like, but none of their skirts come with shorts, so that's the only thing. A lot of my shorter skirts are skirts, they have shorts built in, but you can get you some little shorts if you don't have any. And then the last thing I got was these pants. I just thought these were super cute. So they're like dark chocolate brown, and they've got some serious contrast stitching here. They're flared. I just love the detail on them. I hope these fit, but they're stretchy and they're small, and I'm small, so that's what I got. So I'm not going to try these items on. I just wanted to include them in this video just to show you guys some other Kolly's pieces. But now let's go ahead and try on the stuff that they sent me. So it's meant to look like this, and I like it. I think it's very subversive, like I said. So you'd wear this with like very neutral tone, kind of chunky, strappy stuff. Like, this top is really strappy. Like, you could wear it with this. Like, just pretty much anything. Very like distressed looking, lots of strings, lots of tie, baggy, flowy, like parachute pants and stuff. Like, that's kind of like where I see subversive I feel like I could describe it better with examples and pictures. Maybe I'll make a Pinterest board. But this is really, really cute. And then of course you can also tie the elastic straps on the pants to make the pants fit tighter at the waist. But I like it, quite frankly. Like, I feel like styled right, it would be very, very cute. Okay, next is the maxi skirt. Like, you can't go wrong with a maxi skirt. They're simple, they're straightforward. Like, you can style them 1,000 ways. The design on this, I'm not really sure what it is. It kind of looks like it's like a paisley print almost. There's like some white design in here, but it's cute, comfortable, it fits well. It's elastic, so it fits perfectly. Like, we're living in the maxi skirt. Like I said, can't go wrong with them. And you can style this a bunch of ways. You can style this with tan, white, black, pink, orange. Like, you can really do any colors. Blue, obviously, green, purple. Like, we love a maxi skirt. She's a cute girl. Okay, so this is the skirt on, no belt or anything. This, like I said, this is small. It is big, which is usually my issue with skirts. Sometimes extra smalls don't fit either, so it's just the way it is. But that's why we've got the belt here. So when you tighten the belt, you get this weird like ruffle in the skirt, which I don't like, and I don't really know how to fix it because the belt loops are not on the waist. They're under, like, this is the waist, right? They're underneath, so you get this weird like ugly little bump, and I don't know how to fix it. I don't like it. Like, first of all, it's not a small. Okay, this is a skirt. I made it on. Like, I just don't like, I don't know, I don't like it the way I have to, like, because the moment you have to go to the bathroom and you take this off, you have to do all this to get it back the right way. And even then, it doesn't look right. Like, it's bunched. And then there's a spot here where it doesn't fit properly. Like if it fit me perfectly, and I mean perfectly, like if it fit tight, this is all the room I still have. Like, this is it. It is incredibly fitted, actually. I literally got stuck in this. I thought I put it on the wrong way because it fits so snug that the dress was actually turned up like this. And I was trying to pull it down and I couldn't figure it out. And it was because this part was like turned up underneath the dress. But this is very cute. So I love the split here on the sleeve. I love just big flowy sleeves on things. I'm obsessed with them. Yeah, I like the contrast stitching on this. I think this is very, very cute, but it's just very fitted and slinky. So I like this. I could think of a ton of ways to style this. This could be very, very comfortable. This just doesn't like fit. It's too much. Like, it's not fitted enough, I guess. Like, the way the other ones were super snug, this one could have done that because no matter how I pull it, it's just not right. All right, next I've got on the Miss Angel crop. It's got the little cutout here, and it's got some here as well, which I thought was cool. I didn't notice that before when I ordered it. As you can see, it's got the little slit also on the sleeves. I like that. I thought this would be tighter. I'm not upset with it. I was just surprised for a small. It wasn't like, you know? But this is really, really cute. Like I said, you can't go wrong with the brown crop top. So my camera angle is weird, but yeah, simple. I especially like the sleeve detail on this now, though. That's so cute. I really be fighting for my life whenever they give me clothes and make me tie them up myself. Why do I have to pull up the picture on the website, right, and use my best judgment to figure out how you did this? And then they gave you all this extra string. Like, am I supposed to use all of it? Look, they even gave me, is this just extra? I'm supposed to be using all of this. I don't know, I'm confused. No thoughts, just vibes. I don't know. Do I hate this? Do I like it? I don't know, it doesn't matter. But anyways, actually, I feel like I made it kind of cute. Look at that. What? But yeah, so I guess you can really tie this however you want. So it's got the two straps here. Disregard, this is the extra string. Two straps here that go on this side, and then they give you all these little loops and lots of string to do whatever you want to do on this side. I think I would leave it untied, but I guess you could tie it if you wanted to. But yeah, so there's two separate pieces and then one continuous piece. So you get three pieces all together. But this is it. Actually, I really like what I did here. Okay, the last thing was this, but I tried to put it on once and immediately lost the patience. So everything else worked. The skirt was the only thing, well, the skirt and that dress. The dress is a total L, and I probably will just donate it like tomorrow. But the skirt, this doesn't fit, but it really, like, depending on how you wear it, you could really make it work. Like, I think you could layer this over another skirt, or if you had on like a bodysuit or something that was longer, I guess, so that you could wear this low-waisted, then you could really hook it up. But But yeah, so that's everything that I was sent by Kollyy. I will put all the items down below in the description box, as well as the size information that I got. Once again, thank you to Kollyy for sending me all the products to try, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.